got this number off my pal.
Sorry?
I got it off my pal. Little Keith. He gave us this number. And he says that it was here to get back to you. I don't know what's going on, right? But I'm getting pissed off.
Who's this?
No, I'm getting pissed off. I'll tell you why, right? 'Cause I keep getting dodgy calls. I don't know who it is. I don't know if it's coming from this number or from someone else's number. But all I know is that somebody's giving us dodges 24/7. And it's the parents, it's the kids, all the mothers and the fathers, they're fucking all suffering because someone's giving us dodges for other people's satisfaction. And I'm sick. I'm fucking sick. Tell you what, if you fucking get any dodges, give us a ring, right? I'll get them stopped, right? But me and you gotta stick together. I'll see you later, talk.